Hi, it's Emily. I've been working on organizing my pantry. It's kind of a fun job. And I want to share something with you that I just learned, and it's so exciting. We all save grocery bags, right? Because they're really great to repurpose as trash bag liners or as poop pickup bags for our dogs or all kinds of things. So, here are my grocery bags. Both of these baskets have 25 grocery bags in. Look how much nicer this basket looks than this basket. So much less clutter. You can fit twice as many in the basket. Looks nicer, easy to just grab a bag and go. So I'm going to show you the technique, and it's kind of fun to do, to fold your grocery bags into little triangles. So let's get started. You might think that folding grocery bags into triangles is a waste of time, but it gives you an excuse to sit down and watch a movie or watch a TV show. And you don't feel guilty for sitting there, and you're getting something done at the same time. Here's how you're going to fold your grocery bag. Straighten it out. And fold it in half. I like the Target bags because they're a little bit thicker than the other bags. Fold it into thirds and flatten it out. I'm starting at the bottom of the bag, and I'm going to just start with a little, just fold it up. And then I'm going to start making triangles from there. So a little triangle, see that? And then fold it up. And then a little triangle, and then up. A little triangle, and then up. A little triangle, and then you get to the end, and you've made yourself a little pocket. Do you see this little pouch? Just long enough for the handles to shove down into. And look at that little triangle you've made. And then you can add it to your basket and get it when you need it. Okay, let's do this again. I'm going to flatten it out, fold it in half and into thirds. And then flatten that out. I'm going to fold this up 2 inches and then start with making triangles, and then up, and then a triangle, and then up, and then a triangle, and then up, a triangle, and up. And then when I get to the end, I've got this handle left. I'm going to tuck it in to the little pouch. Easy peasy, right? In just a half an hour or so, you can transform this into this. I hope you decide to make your grocery bags into cute little triangles. Happy organizing. Bye.